Many of you have asked me what are some of the best golf courses. And so today I've brought my husband, Brandon Pollard, on to the channel to share with you what his opinion, what he thinks are some of the best golf courses around.
So I'm not an avid golfer, but I do love Dallas Cowboys golf course because it's an experience. It's fun. They have on each golf cart, they have players that are present and players that are past. Some of the greats like Troy Aikman, Emmitt Smith, just some of the past that I'm fourth generation. So I love it because they inside of the where the grill and the bar area is, they have replicas of the Super Bowl trophies. And it's been a long time since the Cowboys won anything, and so I like to go on the golf course, and I too am not winning much, but I like to do tournaments once a year, and we have a great time. There's a place where you can, out on the back patio, you can kind of have just a great view and lots of greenery, lots of mature trees. In Texas, I'll say this, that in Texas there's a lot of places where you can go and play golf, but it's just flat and there's not a lot of water or trees.
Dry grass.
And dry, I'm talking about brown
in the country, guys.
grass in the country. And so it's nice. There's some really nice courses. Dallas Cowboys is one of them. And then also Vaquero is one of the places that some of my friends have played, and it's just got a great community, very, very because it's membership only, a lot of high-end homes. The Jonas Brothers live out there, and so Sean Payton with the New Orleans Saints, they're out there, and he goes, obviously he doesn't live all year round, but seasonally he lives out there. And so they do a great job. It's membership. Somebody told me the membership's right around $175,000.
It is. Now, let me just say this. If you move to some of the villas in Vaquero, you can get automatic membership. Not meaning, like, you still have to buy the membership, but you don't have to get on the wait list if you purchase some of those villas that are in Vaquero. They're starting at about $2 million.
That's awesome. So some of the homes go, start at 6 and go up from there to...
The homes in Vaquero start at about $1.5 million and they go on up to $10 million. But not all of the homes in Vaquero you don't actually get a membership automatically. You have to go on a wait list. Okay.
So some celebrities like the Jonas Brothers. I'm trying to think of the baseball player. Oh, Vernon Wells. Former with the Blue Jays, and so there's some great celebrities out there, and then on top of that, I've actually played the Colonial, which is known Fort Worth. It was built like in the 1930s, which you talk about mature trees, and it's like stepping back into the future. In other words,
Back into the Future.
Yeah, Back to the Future. It's my movie. It's.
Back to the Future.
Back to the Future.
I was like, how do you step back into the future?
Yeah, that's play on words. But I enjoy it because, again, it's just beautiful, mature trees, lots of scenery,
really nice
lots of water, which isn't always best for my golf game. But again, I come from the country, and so when you're constantly playing on flat 300, 400 yards of just flat land, nothing, no water, no sand, these courses are beautiful. If you enjoy golf, you'll enjoy it. Again, I'm not an avid golfer, but I do enjoy being outside, and I enjoy the scenery. And
he won't take me with.
I haven't. No,
you did. You took me with, but you said I couldn't go back.
Well, I don't know. I don't remember that. I don't.
Because I talk too much.
Oh, okay. Well, you're probably talking about my game.
No.
Okay, so Tour 18, that's another one in Flower Mound. Flower Mound's a beautiful city. Again, great price range in homes, and they are open year-round. They're actually closed right now because they're doing a facelift, and they're getting the greens and the bunkers a little bit better. And so the concept of the course is really cool because it's a replica of some of the most famous courses that are out there. And so I highly recommend Tour 18 if you're an avid golfer. It's something that is pretty reasonable in price, and again, a lot of $1 million homes around it.
Flower Mound's beautiful.
Yeah,
the whole area, it has trees and nice homes, and the golf course is really nice.
It really is, and so that's another one. And then I think that was it. I've got 4. So these are just 4 of the golf courses that I recommend. But again, these are not the only ones. There's so many great golf courses. I've played Iron Horse, and there's some other ones like Fossil Creek that we play. And there's some really good golf courses that are lower end price ranges if you're in a budget. And so I just encourage you, hey, if you're a golfer, this is a good place to play golf. Most people think of the country guys on the horse, and Texas is not known for golf courses, and they think of just kind of us walking around in boots. But I'll just say there's some great golfers in this area.
Yeah. Thank you very much for sharing with our viewers. And hey, if you want to know some of the other golf courses, click the link below, and I'm going to upload a free PDF for you to get a list of golf courses in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.